couple of weeks जर आमी पळयली जाल्यार it shows that the law and order of the state is a complete collapse. It is not only about Kurchane. If you see Kalangut, दोन गुंडा येता एक रेस्टॉरंटां वता थंय बिरयानी खाता आनी मागीर they say that we have the political clout, we have the political backing. नांवां घेवन मंत्र्यांची सांगून ते ओनराक ते थंय कोण कामाक आशिल्ले तांकां मारता आनी वता. ताज्या उपरांत वी हॅव सीन की काही आठवड्या पयलीं गेल्ल्या म्हयन्यात मंथ एंडाक पणजेन एक खून जाता, कसिनोच्या सिक्युरिटीक मारता. मागीर आमी पळयलें की फोंड्याच्या गांवांत एका बिझनसमॅनाच्या भुरग्याक दीन दहाडे किडनॅप करून व्हरता. ताज्या उपरांत आमी पळयलें की म्हापशान 40 किलोचो गांजा हे पुलीस धरता. देन वी सॉ दॅट मायनराचेर खंय तरी आज रेप जाता. आनी टू सम दीस ऑल वेन चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हाका तुमी कोणे तरी प्रश्न केल्लो की तो सांगता लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज नॉट कोलॅप्स. सांजें कुडचडेच्या गांवांत भितुमट्टी म्हणटा थंय लोक दीन दहाडे तलवारी घेवन लोकांक थंय मारतात. I don't want to get into the merits of the case. There is some land dispute there. But the point is की आज लोकांक कसलोच भंय ना ह्या पुलिसाचो. गेल्ल्या म्हयन्याक आमी पळयल्लें की एक इन्सिडंट जाल्लो केप्याच्या तिळामळ म्हणटा थंय जातून लोक सोरो पिवन पुलिसाचेरूच अटॅक करताले. थंय पुलीसवाल्याकूच मारिल्लो. ताजेर कितें जालें हें पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आज मेरेन सांगना. सो दीस शोज that today these so-called political patronage gundas feel that they are above everybody. They are above law. They feel they are above police. The police department is here to protect each and every citizen. Police department is here to help all the citizens who are in trouble. आज पुलिसांचेरूच जर अटॅक जाता, आज लोक जर दीन दहाडे तलवारी घेवन जर एकामेकांक मारपा लागले, this is nothing less than Gunda Raj. This looks like a jungle Raj. So this is a complete mockery of the administration of the present government. I think governor should intervene now. It's high time that we have seen ki corruption wadla, law and order is collapsed. So I think governor should dismiss this government because lokancho mandate towards this government today is gone. People have decided that they don't want this corrupt government anymore. Let the governor dismiss and held fresh elections. We are ready. Congress party is ready. We will give clean faces, people what they want. I urged all my workers, my karyakartas, my block president, be ready. With the kind of way the government is going on, this government has to be dismissed as fast as possible. And we have to go for fresh elections.